Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Euroborosec. And in today's video we are going to continue with our dark web video series. Specifically today we are going to discuss, or we are going to talk about some of the major search engines that are actually being used on the Tor browser. So unlike the clear web where we use search engines such as Google, the Tor browser is quite different. So without further ado, let's begin this video. So in my previous video, I talked about Tails and Tor browser and the installation processes. If you've not watched that video, I will leave a link to that video in the description and you can go ahead and check it out. So what I like to start is just by increasing the screen size so that you can see everything that I am currently doing. And some of the search engines that are commonly used in the Tor browser include DuckDuckGo. So DuckDuckGo is a browser itself, but it's mainly privacy focused, and that's why it is integrated with the Tor browser. And DuckDuckGo will help you find normal websites or the clear web websites such as google.com or facebook.com. That is the essence of the DuckDuckGo. And let me do an example. Like if I come here to DuckDuckGo where it says search with DuckDuckGo and I type google.com, I will be directed to the Google website. So as I talked in my previous video, that actually, okay, I'm getting that the site is, so let's just try continuing with HTTPS. So this is basically Google detecting that I'm actually using Tor and I have to do all the sign up. So this is basically, I won't do this, but we can just type any other website such as Facebook. And we are going to be taken to the Facebook website. So the reason that we've come across that capture is that Google is finding out that we are using Tor browser, so we have to actually verify ourselves. So this is actually DuckDuckGo, so you can just search for normal websites that are in the clear web and you can find them. So but when we look at finding.onion websites or the Tor websites, or what we call the dark websites, we end up having some specific search engines. So one of the famous one, or one of the most commonly used, is the Ahmia. So if you go to ahmia.fi, you can see that they are actually telling me that this is not the Onion website, and for more privacy over here, there is a more private and secure version of this site available over Tor, and I will click the Tor version. So if you want to know that a website is actually a dark web website or a dark web website, so it usually ends up with a .onion link. So this is the domain starting with JU, and it usually ends up with a .onion. So when you come here, and you can come here and search for anything, so you can come here and search for vegetables or whatever you're going to search for. So a quick disclaimer is that before you start searching things in the dark web, I just want to tell you that you need to be careful. Some of the things or some of the links that you might end up clicking might be some graphic images or some things that are considered illegal in the clear web. So that's a caution. So this is the point where I say curiosity killed the cat. But we're going to look at some of these websites in depth. And there are some websites that we are not going to look at. So the websites that are going to deal with red rooms or child stuff, we are not going to look at those websites. They are against YouTube terms of service. So when we come here and basically type info sec So our channel is basically ethical hacking channel. We can look for infosec information, and when we come to the infosec section, we are going to be directed to multiple websites. So we have infosec, defcon, we have, so you will just scroll down and you can go over here and click a link. I won't do that because I might end up clicking a link that will end up redirecting me to a page that has some graphic images, and I don't want to do that. So this is one of the popular search engines. It's called Ahmia, and you can find it at the clear web as ahmia.fi, and it has a .onion version which is more private and it's more secure. So the other search engine that I'm going to talk about today is called the Hidden Wiki. So the Hidden Wiki is basically a search engine that has these directories of Onion or the Tor websites. So if we go to the hiddenwiki.org and we say we are going to click on the hiddenwiki.org, we are going, this is just the clear web version of the Hidden Wiki. So as I said, and I will repeat again, that connecting to Tor it's going to be slow if you are connecting to Tor, because we are routed over multiple nodes so that we can reach the end website. So when you come here, you will see these directories on Hidden Wiki, but as we have been warned before, that we need to be looking at the .onion versions of this website. So the original Hidden Wiki is what I want to click. So once I'll click this, I'll be redirected to the .onion link of this website of the Hidden Wiki. So the Hidden Wiki has been for a very long time, and it contains multiple directories of the dark web. So you'll end up finding websites from the financial niche to various industries such as forums. You're going to find also search engines that are recommended by the Hidden Wiki. So currently it's taking a while. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the internet connectivity. I really don't know why, but we are going to come over and look after it for it to reload. But for the meantime, let's look at another search engine which is called dark.fail. So dark.fail is another search engine that I like, and dark.fail has been around, I think, since 2021. And the reason I like dark.fail, it's because it regularly updates this .onion website. And the thing is that these websites are usually not there to stay. They come today, it's available, and tomorrow it's not available. So that is the downside of this kind of website. So you'll find that today you're going to have that website, and the next time you try to visit that website, it's not available. But the good thing with dark.fail, it keeps those websites updated. So if there's a new link to that website, it will keep you updated. So this is also the clear version of the dark.fail, but we want the .onion version of it. So this is the .onion version of it, and we're being told that we can verify it. So the essence of verifying this .onion website is to make sure that the website that you're going to access is the actual website. So you're not going to have an issue with the website, and you're making sure that the website doesn't contain any type of scams or a redirect that is not the actual website. So that is the reason we have the .onion verification, and they have a PGP. And in the next few video, we're going to look at what a PGP is. So PGP in full stands for pretty good privacy. It's an encryption type of, it's a way to encrypt messages when you are trying to go over to through Tor. So this is a way for verification, and we will talk about this in depth. So I like to go to the Onion version of it, so I will just right click, and then I'll try to open the link so that we can go to the Onion version of this website. So this is the actual Onion website. And I also, one thing that I would like to say in upfront is that most of these websites, especially selling services, they're full of scammers. So kindly do not trust them at all. Don't go there expecting that you're going to buy something, a drug or a gun, and then it will be just delivered for in front of your door. Most of these websites contain scams, and that is something that I want to pinpoint out from the beginning. So if you come to duck.fail, the Onion version of the website, you will see that they are just telling you that they have PGP. So it's a you can verify signature with the ducks.fail new PGP tools. So we'll go over this tool in the next video. I just wanted to show you some of the search engines that you can use to actually access the Tor dark websites. And when we were at the duck.fail, you noticed that there was a place where it said about the incognito marketplace. We're going to talk about this topic in detail, but the incognito marketplace is just a marketplace that did something called an exit scam, where they just one day ended up scamming their own users. And we will also see some of the users who used PGP tools were actually left on a secured manner. So these are the topics that we're going to look at. So if you scroll down, you'll see some of the websites that are offline. Dread is a forum. We will also look at it. It's a good forum. It's similar to Reddit. And we also have the incognito market that I told you about, that it pulled up an exit scam. We have these markets. We are going to look them in details. We also have websites such as BBC and Proton Mail. So these are websites that are on the clear web, and they have an Onion version of it. So the reason they have an Onion version is to actually make it more secure for people to maybe sign up and do things in the dark web. So this is another wonderful website that I like to visit, duck.fail. It's also a good search engine. So I'm being told that the hidden wiki part of the website is having some trouble loading up, but let's give it a minute. Yes, it's on. So this is actually the hidden wiki. So the hidden wiki is also a search engine that contains directories of the Tor websites or the .onion website. And if you come here, the hidden wiki will actually have some information, some good information. Also, they have good blog websites that pretty much focused on privacy. So when you come here to the introduction point, you will end up finding some more search engines, including, we've talked about Ahmia, we have the Tor links. So these are just website that contains, they have these directories that have the .onion websites, and some of these websites also go ahead and also vet some of these websites, telling users if these websites are legit or if these websites contain scam or some malicious activities. They also end up warning users. So we have Torch, we have Onion Link. So this is some of the search engines that contains this Tor browse .onion directories. So we are going to also to look at some of these websites in depth, such as these websites that offer financial services. We have the Green Machine, the Fish and Pearl Palace. So we are going to talk about these websites in depth, and the reason why I'm also going to tell you that most of these websites are actually scams. They will end up promising you to maybe they have a PayPal account that has 500 USD, and you only pay $30 for it, which is going to actually not even be possible, and they might end up scamming you. So we also have some commercial, and one thing I want you to note is that the hidden wiki doesn't actually go through these websites and actually vet them out. They just show you, and you can just do your own research. But also I'll also show you some of the websites that actually index whether a website is real or a website is a scam. So we also have some commercial services. This includes marketplaces, places where they sell things, and as I said in my caution, that you might end up finding things that are not legal. They are actually illegal, and the essence of this video is just to show you. I don't encourage anyone to go out there and buy guns or buy drugs. No, most of these markets are being monitored by law enforcement, so you need to be careful. Take this video as a research video, and not me just telling you to go out there and buy stuff. So we have some domain services, security services, and this is also a good place for guys interested in infosec to come here and learn or read. And actually the main reason for the use of Tor is actually to help people who are in countries of oppression to speak their mind. You find people that are in places where they cannot use it. Yeah, they are not allowed to use a Bible, so they can come here to Tor and find an actual Bible, and they can read. So those are some of the benefits of actually using the Tor browser. So this is the hidden wiki, and you can go at your own free time and look through these websites in depth. So you can come here and you can see the darknet version of popular sites such as the Pirate Bay, Reddit, Twitter, and so much more. So that's basically it. So this is just a video showing you some of search engines so that you can be able to start looking at this dark web websites and the know-hows and how to find them. So if you love this video, and if you want me to continue posting, I just would like you and would kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so that you can help me you can help the algorithm to find my videos and push it to other people. So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.